being a dice man is sort of almost, it's like being an alcoholic without the hangover.
I think if anybody carried on indefinitely with the dice, they would probably end up in prison.
I feel it's a bit like Russian roulette, only with, instead of having one live round and 5 empty chambers, it's like having one live round. That's the deadly thing, the thing you don't want to do, and 5 surprises, 5 treats maybe.
It is completely the lure of the forbidden. Your little parent over your shoulder saying, don't do it, you know, or the angel saying, no, don't do it, and the devil saying, yes, do it, do it, do it.
And ask yourself whether you could really do this if a die chose it from among 6 options. And then cast a die.
Hey, so I'm leaving Palalolim Beach in India, Goa. Had a great time there, 4 weeks. Time to move on. Up until late last night, about midnight, I was going to Hampi. But I was just reading through an India guide, and there were a lot of other places I was interested in seeing, and I just had this nagging feeling to go somewhere else. So, you know, I could have gone down to, could still go to Cochin, I could be down in Kerala, I could go to Golconda, I could go back up to New Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and I decided to let the dice determine my fate. So I rolled the dice and let fate make its decision on where I should go. Now I'm with a private driver, and we're heading off to my next stage of my journey. Geez, let's see what fate brings me. So I've arrived in Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Yeah, so I'm not too sure. I haven't even got a hotel organised. I've got no idea where I'm going to go. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a coin out and flip it. And should I stay here or should I move on? And see what fate brings. So, threw the dice, and I'm on to the next flight. I went up to the counter and said which was the next flight out, and I bought a ticket. Here we go. So, I've made this place. Fate has brought me here. This place, I don't know why, but I've rolled the dice. I have flipped the coin. I don't know why I'm here, but we'll see. So, Varanasi, I made Varanasi now. The city is very ancient, 3,000 years old. Another name for it is the City of Light. It has 4 million people. This is a city where they cremate the bodies and put it into the Ganga, which is the river. And a lot of pilgrims come here to bathe in the Ganga. Cremate the bodies, and hope to see that ceremony tonight. Interesting thing about life and death. Apparently when they cremate, they can't, the pelvis and the one other bone doesn't burn. I think it's the chest bone, so they chuck that in the river. Yeah, interesting experience. So far, this is where my flipping the coin and dice have taken me.
So I'm on the Ganga.
Yeah.
This man is messaging my head. 50 rupees. Classic. 50 rupees is about $1.50 New Zealand. Oh.
Hashish, brown, opium. Varanasi, possible everywhere. By openly, grass, no problem. But problem for the drugs. This don't do open.
This is Te Kore, the void, the beginning.
There is nothing above,
Nothing below.
no light, no darkness. Nothing but Te Kore.
Ka hore he mālamata, ka hore he pōrita, o Te Kore anake.
The formless void. The intangible formless void. The supreme being.
Now, if you cast a die and the die chooses number 1, do you think you'd be strong enough to go ahead and to try to do that thing? Now, if you don't think you could do it, then take it off the list. Just leave on the list things. You must commit yourself to following the die when it falls, so don't put something on the list that deep down inside you know you wouldn't do even if the die chooses it. But put down those things you've sort of wanted to do and haven't gotten around to doing, and if the die chooses it, go and do it. Five or 6, well, it didn't choose it. I don't have to do anything today.